Let's put in another vertical space before we move on. Insert Spacing Objects, Vertical Space, and Big Skip. Now let's see what to do when the font that you're wanting isn't available to you. I'm using carriage returns here to get these all left justified. Now, that's the text I want, but in fact, it's not in my list of available fonts. I'm looking for Lucida handwriting, which I think looks really nice. It seems to come standard on any Windows system, but not on the Mac. So more generally, to check what fonts are available, on a Windows machine, click on Start, Control Panel, Fonts. On a Mac, then you would go to Finder, Applications, and open the Font Book app, and all fonts. I've got Lucida Grande, but not Lucida handwriting. So let's close that, and let's go download the font first of all. So here's Google. Oops. And when I start typing, in fact, I prepared it earlier, Lucida handwriting font. And here we are, fontsgeek.com. That's the font I'm looking for. So I'm going to install the zip download. The Windows installer won't do me any good on a Mac. So no, I'm not a robot. Click on the zip download. Once you've downloaded the zip file, then on a Windows machine, you would go to your downloads folder, right-click the zip file and extract it to unpack the folder. Then go to that extracted folder, right-click on the TrueType font file and click on Install. On a Mac, I'm going to go to my downloads. There's the font I've just downloaded, Lucida handwriting.zip. It's easier on a Mac, simply double-click, will extract it for me and take me into the folder. There's the font itself, double-click on that and click on Install. Now here's the second pitfall to avoid, because when we go back into Scientific Workplace, there's the font, the text already highlighted. I simply want to go Tag Advanced, but unfortunately I'll find that Lucida handwriting isn't yet available to me. Whoops. Lucida Grande as in the font list, but not yet Lucida handwriting. For that, I'm afraid I do need to close and reopen Scientific Workplace. So I'm going to now reopen Scientific Workplace. Go back to the recent file I was working on. Here's my text. And now Tag Advanced. Lucida handwriting. I'm going to make that 24 point. And let's choose a nice turquoise color. Lucida handwriting 24 point and turquoise. And now when I do PDF preview, that's the font I've just downloaded.